There's a friend in Fimble Valley that we're on our way to see, to hear him tell his stories, maybe stay for tea. He's a mole who's living underground and his name is Roly Mo. Roly, 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 roly mo. He's the roliest mo you'll ever know, and his name is Roly Mo.
La 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 la. Hello to you. How do you do? Oh, it's really raining outside. Everything's getting all wet. I'm all wet. But Yugo will be pleased. He loves the rain. Ready? Then off we go. Whee!
Oh, hello there. And how are you today? I'm just looking at the rain. Do you want to have a look? Ooh, there's lots of it, isn't there?
Hello, Uncle Roly.
Oh, hello there, little Bo. I was just showing our friends the rain.
Oh, yes. It's really raining outside. I'm all wet.
Well, you take this towel and dry yourself off, and I'll go and get you a nice warm drink.
Oh, thank you, Uncle Roly.
Oh, I say, what was that? It felt like a raindrop. Oh, yes, it was. Oh, dearie me. I think I've got a leak in my roof. Oh. There we go. Something to catch the raindrops. Here we go, little Bo. One warm drink.
Oh, thank you, Uncle Roly. What you looking for, Uncle Roly?
Oh, I'm looking for my rain hat. Last time I saw it, Yugo and Migo were using it to collect leaves in. Ah, here it is.
Why do you need your rain hat, Uncle Roly?
Well, we've got a leak in the roof, you see, and I need to go and mend it.
Oh, I see. What's a leak, Uncle Roly?
Oh, well, a leak is like a hole, little Bo.
You mean there's a hole in the roof?
Indeed I do, little Bo. Now, I'll be back in a roly mo.
Yugo! Migo! Wigo! Amigo! Let's a go-go!
Little Bo!
What do you know?
I know what a leak is.
A leak!
A leak. It's like a hole. We've got one in the roof and the rain is coming through.
Oh! A leak!
Ooh, rain! I love the rain! I hear raindrops, I hear raindrops. Heart, don't you? Heart, don't you? Pitter patter splish splosh, pitter patter splish splosh. Time for a wash, time for a wash. I hear raindrops, I hear raindrops. Heart, don't you? Heart, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet too, so are you. I hear raindrops, I hear raindrops. Heart, don't you? Heart, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet too, so are you.
I'm wet through, so are you.
I'm wet through, so are you. Ugh, I don't like the rain.
Ooh, do you think Roly's got a story about the rain, little Bo?
Oh, I'm sure he has. I could go and find one.
Story time with little Bo.
Our favourite time of day.
a book, who knows what you will see? When you take a look inside a book, it's fun as fun can be. With cats and dogs and birds and frogs, a monkey who says boo, boo. Wonderful things, giants and kings, and maybe a thimble or two. Now what have we here? When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you might see? A story or rhyme, just take the time to read along with me. Books over here, books over there. Find me a book with a story to share. Ah, we'd like a story about the rain, please. Oh, thank you. Are you sitting comfortably?
Yes.
Good. Then I'll begin. It was Ben and Charlie's birthday, and Grandad had sent them a big knobbly parcel all the way from Australia. "Good day, boys," said the card. "I expect you'll be needing these soon." "What could it be?" said Ben. "Well, open it up and see," said Mum. Inside the parcel were 2 pairs of shiny Wellington boots and 2 beautiful umbrellas to match. "Fantastic!" said Charlie. "Let's go and find some puddles to splash in," said Ben. But when they got outside, the sun was shining brightly and they couldn't find any puddles in the garden. And there wasn't a cloud in the sky, so there wasn't any rain either. "Never mind," said Mum. "Perhaps it'll rain tomorrow." But it didn't rain the next day either. Or the next day. Or the day after that. "It's not fair," said Ben. "We're never going to find a puddle," said Charlie. We'll see about that," said Mum. Next day was Saturday, and when Ben and Charlie looked out of the window, the sun was shining in the sky again. Ben and Charlie were having their breakfast when Mum put a picnic basket on the table. "Hurry up, boys," she said. "We're going on an adventure. And you better bring your boots and umbrellas." "Hooray!" said the boys. When Dad stopped the car, the boys couldn't believe their eyes. They were at the beach. "Look," said Mum. "That's the biggest puddle ever." So Ben and Charlie spent all morning jumping over waves and paddling in rock pools in their new wellies. And they ate their sandwiches under the shade of their new umbrellas. And when they got home, they sent Grandad a postcard to tell him all about it. Lovely.
Lovely rain.
Did you hear that?
We did.
Then let's a go-go.
Amigo!
I can hear it.
But what is it?
Maybe my busy book will be able to tell us. Busy book, let's take a look. Someone is hiding. Who can it be? Is it a Fimble? Who can you see? It's Baby Pom. What are we going to do today, Baby Pom? Oh, did you hear that? What's that sound?
That sounds like a train.
That's right, it is a train. That's a different sound. What could it be?
That sounds like a drum.
It is a drum. That's a funny sound. I wonder what it could be. It sounds like water.
That's a rain cloud.
So it's a raindrop. Now what's that sound? I know. It sounds sounds like bouncing. Now, what makes a bouncing sound like that?
Hey!
It's Rocket!
Oh, smelly jelly.
Thank you, Baby Pom. Thank you, Rocket. See you again soon. So it's a raindrop.
But where is it? Oh, it sounds like it's in here. Ah! It rained on me!
I think Migo just found the raindrop.
Oh, look. Uncle Roly's put a saucepan down to catch the raindrop.
Listen, there's another one.
Find that raindrop.
Raindrops keep falling on my head. Ugh, I don't like raindrops.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Oh, it nearly finished. Ooh.
It's over here.
We need something to catch the drip in, just like Uncle Roly's saucepan.
How about this?
A watering can. That's a great idea.
Phew. It's raining on me again.
Oh, no. Not another raindrop. Raindrops falling, raindrops falling.
Drip, drop, drop. Drip, drop, drop.
Pitter-patter raindrops, pitter-patter raindrops.
Who can say when they'll stop?
Raindrops falling, raindrops falling.
Drip, drop, drop. Drip, drop, drop.
Pitter-patter raindrops, pitter-patter raindrops.
Who can say when they'll stop?
It's getting very wet.
We need something else to catch those raindrops in. Oh, I know. Can I borrow your umbrella, Migo?
One umbrella coming up.
Who can say when they'll stop?
Oh, the raindrops are stopping.
Don't go, little raindrops.
That must mean that Uncle Roly's mended the leak in the roof.
Indeed I have, little Bo, indeed I have. Rain, rain, gone away, come again another day.
Hooray for Roly Mo, the best roof mender in Fimble Valley.
Hooray!
Well, we've had a wet day today, haven't we?
It's been a roly-moly day.
You will come and join us next time in Fimble Valley, won't you? Now it's time for us all to go. Cheerio!
Cheerio!
There's a friend in Fimble Valley that we're on our way to see. To hear him tell his stories, maybe stay for tea. He's a mole who's living underground and his name is Roly Mo. Roly, 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 roly Mo. He's the rolliest mo you'll ever know. And his name is Roly Mo.
Hello to you. How do you do? It's very frosty today in Fimble Valley. The valley looks all sparkly. It's nice and warm in here, though. There we are. Ready? Then off we go. Whee!
Oh, hello there. And how are you today? I'm just looking for something in the useful chest.
Hello, Uncle Roly.
Oh, hello there, little Bo. I was just telling our friends that I'm looking for something.
Oh, well, it looks like you found lots of things.
Well, yes, I have. Lots of useful things. but I still haven't found what I'm looking for.
What are you looking for, Uncle Roly?
Well,
Yugo!
Migo!
Wigo! Amigo! Let's a go-go!
We can't find them anywhere, Roly.
Nowhere, no how, no way, nowhere!
What are you all looking for?
We're looking for Yugo and Migo's mittens.
We want to go out and play in the garden.
You can come too, little Bo. We're going to play...
Boo!
Oh, yes, I'd love to play Boo with you. But we do need to find your mittens. It's very cold outside.
But where can they be?
Do you think a story might help, Uncle Roly?
Do you know, it just might. Shall we go and find one?
Yes, let's.
Story time with Little Bo.
And Roly Mo!
Our favourite time of day.
When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you will see?
When you take a look inside a book, it's fun as fun can be.
With cats and dogs and birds and frogs,
A monkey who says boo, boo,
wonderful things, giants and kings.
and maybe a thimble or two.
Now what have we here? When you take a look inside a book,
Who knows what you might see?
a story or rhyme, just take the time to read along with me. Books over here, books over there. Find me a book with a story to share. Well now, we seem to have lost something. Thank you. Now then, are you all sitting comfortably?
Yes!
Good. Then I'll begin. One morning, Molly dressed up her teddy for the teddy bear's picnic. Everyone was taking a teddy. Even Molly's dad had found his teddy, which only had one eye, but was still smiling. When everyone was ready, they went to Mirinda's house, where Mirinda's mum had packed some delicious food into a huge picnic basket. Molly and Mirinda wanted to peep inside, but Mirinda's dad shooed them upstairs to find Mirinda's teddy. Mirinda looked under the bed where her teddy usually hid, but he wasn't there. "Don't worry," said Molly. "I'll help you look." They looked behind the chest of drawers and found an old birthday card. They looked in the bottom of the wardrobe and found 3 smelly socks. They looked behind the curtains but found an old balloon. Mirinda was upset. "I want my teddy." "Time to go," called Mirinda's mum. Then Mirinda began to cry. "I want my teddy." Molly had to think of something that would make things better quickly. "Why don't you help me look after my teddy? She's so big that she needs a lot of looking after," said Molly. Mirinda stopped crying and nodded. Molly held one paw and Mirinda held the other, and they swung the teddy up in the air. Whee! And they arrived at the picnic. Molly and Mirinda put all the teddies in a big circle. "Why don't you help get the picnic out of the basket?" said Mirinda's mum. So Molly and Mirinda opened the basket, and inside they found sandwiches, cherries, pink cakes, peaches, marshmallows, crisps, carrots, lemonade, and Mirinda's tiny teddy. "Oh dear, I put your teddy in there so that we wouldn't forget him," said Mirinda's mum. "I'm sorry." Mirinda's tiny teddy sat next to Molly's huge teddy, and everyone tucked into the picnic. Well, lovely. I think those mittens are just waiting to be found.
Then why don't we play a game while we're waiting?
What are these for, Uncle Roly?
Oh, those are my snap cards.
Your snacky cards?
Snap. Here, let me show you.
Oh, some of them are purple. That's your favourite colour, Uncle Roly.
Indeed it is.
And some are orange.
That's What's our favourite colour? Yippity-dippity, we're going to play snacky cards!
Ooh, we're going to play Snap. And this is how you do it. This card's for me. And this card's for you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Ooh. Oh, what a very orange card. You're a lovely little card, orange card.
Now then, you put your card down here.
No, I don't want to.
But why not?
Because it's my card. Can't you put your card down, Roly?
Of course I can. There. Here's my card.
Oh, it's orange, just like my one.
Yes, it is. And now you need to put your card down next to it.
Why?
Because this is how you play Snap.
All right. There. It's all right, little orange card. You goes right here.
And now you say...
Snap!
That's right, little Bo.
Snap?
Yes, because they both look the same. They're both orange.
I think I know how to play this game. Let's go!
Amigo!
Hello to you.
How'd you do?
Okay.
The sky is blue.
It's a beautiful day,
You're walking along.
humming a song.
Then snap!
Snap! A snap to you.
Snap here,
Snap there.
Snap in the middle.
Snap round.
Snap square, snap, what a giggle.
snap.
Snap. You should have seen your face.
Oh, snap, 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 all over the place.
You don't have to close your eyes. If I say snap, it's a big surprise.
You can play too. Don't get in a flap. Just jump out at me and say snap.
Ooh, snap here,
Snap there.
snap in the middle.
Snap round.
Snap square.
Snap, what a giggle. Snap, snap, I should have seen your face. Snap, 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 all over the place.
Hello to you.
How'd you do?
Okay.
The sky is blue.
It's a beautiful day,
You're walking along.
humming a song.
Then snap.
Snap! A snap to you.
Snap here,
Snap there.
Snap in the middle.
Snap round.
Snap square, snap, what a giggle.
snap.
Snap. You should have seen your face.
Oh, snap, 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 all over the place. Snap here,
Snap there.
Snap in the middle.
Snap round.
Snap square, snap, what a giggle.
snap, snap.
In outer space.
Snap, 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 all over the place.
Hold on, Roly Mo.
Yugo, Migo,
Yes, Roly.
could you come over here a moment? I think you haven't got it quite right.
Oh.
Oh.
Little Bo, is your busy book nearby?
There it is.
Ah, well then, let's have a look inside.
Busy book, let's take a look.
Someone is hiding. Who can it be? Is it a Fimble? Who can you see? It's Florrie. What are we going to do today, Florrie?
Oh, look. Cards.
Look, a pair of yellow circles, a pair of blue triangles, and a pair of red squares.
Now we can't see what's on the cards anymore.
There's a yellow circle. Can you remember where the other yellow circle is?
Is this the yellow circle?
No, that's the red square.
Is it this one? Hooray! We found the yellow circle.
They match. They're a pair.
Which one next? That's the red square.
Can you remember where the other red square is?
No, that's the blue triangle. Hooray! We found the red square.
So where's the blue triangle?
It must be this one. Hooray! We found all the pairs of cards.
The yellow circles, the red squares, and the blue triangles. Thank you, Florrie. We'll see you again soon.
we have to find things that look the same.
That's right.
But a wooden spoon does look like a slipper. Well, a bit, doesn't it?
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't.
Nope.
Now do you see?
I think I do.
Let's try again.
OK, here goes.
Hello to you.
How'd you do?
OK.
The sky is blue.
It's a beautiful day,
You're walking along.
humming a song.
Then snap.
Snap! A snap to you.
Snap here,
Snap there.
Snap in the middle.
Snap round.
Snap square. Snap. What a giggle.
snap.
Snap. You should have seen your face.
Ooh, snap, 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 all over the place.
You don't have to close your eyes. If I say snap, it's a big surprise.
You can play too. Don't get in a flap. Just jump out at me and say snap.
Ooh, snap here,
Snap there.
snap in the middle.
Snap round.
Snap square.
Snap, what a giggle. Snap, snap. I should have seen your face. Snap, snap, snap. All over the place.
Hello to you.
How'd you do?
OK.
The sky is blue.
It's a beautiful day,
You're walking along.
humming a song.
Then snap.
Snap. A snap with you.
Snap here,
Snap there.
Snap in the middle.
Snap round.
Snap square. Snap, what a giggle.
snap.
Snap. You should have seen your face.
Ooh, snap, 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 all over the place. Snap here,
Snap there.
Snap in the middle.
Snap round.
Snap square. Snap, what a giggle.
snap, snap.
In outer space.
Snap, snap, snap,
All over the place.
Yippity-dippity! You found your mittens.
And they found your mittens too, little Bo.
Then let's a go-go.
Amigo!
Oh, well, we've had a snappy day today, haven't we?
Yes, it's been a roly-moly day.
You will come and join us next time in Fimble Valley, won't you? Now, it's time for us all to go. Cheerio!
You're wearing your red hat, little Bo.
Yes, I am. And so are you, Yugo.
Me too.
All together now. 1, 2, 3, snap!